Hi, my name is Josh and I've been attending ICS for 7 years. After graduating, I'll be continuing my studies at Georgia Tech this fall. Taking advanced placement or AP courses pushed me to think differently, not just to learn, but to experience the university level of rigor and deeper scope of learning. This gave me the confidence to take more challenging work and grow beyond what I thought I was capable of. Beyond academics, I've had opportunities to grow as a leader through National Honor Society and Model United Nations. I learned that leadership is not just about guiding, but also about having open ears. This allowed me to serve with purpose and aid my peers to grow together. As I prepare to attend Georgia Tech, I feel very ready because ICS has equipped me with strong academic foundations, resilience, and discipline. More than anything, ICS gave me the confidence to step into a new environment and thrive.